started our business in Hong Kong in 1994 with a vision to create a network for flexible, premium, professional workspaces. A service office, a private office, is usually fully equipped. That comes with high-profile secretarial services, while a co-working plan allows our members to enjoy our community on a more casual basis. It's designed for a prestigious experience for communication and collaboration. We try to support our members and walk them through with every of their milestone to embrace their success.
We always think about how to raise our clients' willingness to use our conference room. Bestboard Smart PTV can do that. This is what we need. We have to follow our clients' steps. Diversity, easier to use, utility, and time efficiency.
Facilitating our meeting rooms, especially for supporting video conferencing, is very crucial. Usually when our clients walk into our meeting rooms, when they see Bestboard, they will ask, what's that? Is it a TV? Does it come with a camera or a microphone? Does it need any other device to support? No, this is the only thing. Before, because of the nature of the design of the devices, suddenly come out saying that, oh, sorry, I need my adapter, I need some wire. Usually it comes from having more than one device is required in the meeting room. Bestboard actually helps us with that because we only need at least only one device.
It should be a hassle-free. In most cases, when you're walking into a modern meeting room, it equips several devices. Bestboard, essentially, it is a combination of digital whiteboard, video conferencing system, and a wireless content sharing server. We managed to incorporate these three mainstream functions into one touch display. No more remote controller, no more cable management or complex installations, just one single touch display. I think that is the beauty of these all-in-one solutions. The idea we try to provide is to help people to get rid of those hassles. All-in-one solution and a Bestboard.